Hello everyone, Harsh Verma here, live from the office. And then because I'm in office, you might hear some kind of noise and interruption. Never mind. So it's been a while, and today it's Saturday, 28th of December, and it's my weekend. But still, I come into office because office is my second home and my best place. So my last video was on 25th of December, which I talked about. My office was going, what I did, and absolutely I was absolute to make a video on 27 as well, but because after doing office and it was raining so hard, so I got lazy and went for a sleep. So now if I won't make this video today on 28th of December, it would be a shame. So I'm making this video sharing you a summary what happened till the date. I captured a few photos from my phone, which I will show you on the screen as well. Why not? Why not I become full screen? Where it is? This video capture device existing. This one. Yes. So right now you can guys see me. So what happened till now? I have, I guess I partially discussed that I have touched the bare metal for the first time, and I just want you to see you what I am working on currently. After that, I will also show you virtually what I was working. So allow me a 1 second time. So, so guys, this is the Cisco C3850 switch. Uh, Actually, we have a pair of each. We are actually working towards load balancing between the traffic between the two similar form of switch by a method called stacking. I think you can see here the stacking. The stacking cable goes behind the switch in order to make a stack. Now I have to put that. So wait for a second. So this was my introduction to the physical hardware itself on which we are going to work from on now. And now time to visit some logical hardware. But before even visiting that, I just wanted to share you some of the shots that I've captured on this phone, which I will be sharing or sharing on a meeting here using Firefox. So yes, this is the photo. I hope that you guys can see it. Let me zoom it so you can just see it clear. Turn on the rotation, auto rotation. Yes. So this is the fan module, which is plugged right behind the switch. Actually, I have just showed you. As you can see that this is the behind of the switch. You can see that the two switches are stacked together, and in the behind of it, there was a fan module. It is very cute, very functional, and very loud. You can see the last the bar that you can see here is actually a fiber optic cable. We have a light in behind, just right behind the pluggables, the pogo pins, and the light actually travels through this acrylic, what's the acrylic pipe, and it actually lights at the behind. This design is so cute, and this is all of the switches that we were testing. We have a Cisco firewall. You can see that Cisco SA5510. We have a Juniper switch there. This is the RAM stick, the server. This is the, I think, a BIOS battery or CMOS battery. Might be, but it's a lithium ion battery. I'm still not sure what it is. I will certainly talk to senior. This is some of more insightful things. This is the configuration and checking of the switches. We were just checking that which of the switches were working or which were not, in order to reduce the e-waste from our data center. This is my new favorite cable, new friend. One side it is an USB and other side it is an Ethernet. And the red one cable is just the patch cable, nothing fancy. This is a short video regarding the same. So we were doing configurations the data set. Yes, this is the our play, and from here now we will switch to our logical screen. Yeah, what we were doing. So before beginning, God, guys were just seeing me for the whole time. Very sorry. Let me initiate the conversation right from this. Forgot to switch the scene. No problem, no problem. I will go back through that again. Okay, so I was showing you this image of the fan. Okay, the fan goes behind the switch that I've just told. Just as I just told you that we have a pair of them, the top on the first and this and one is on bottom. And I just unplugged a fan from it. It's a very cute fan, brushless fan, as the specification mentions. And the pipe that I was talking about is this one. It is an optic fiber cable. The light, the LED that represents whether the fan is working or not, whether the fan is drawing power or not, or if it's getting some kind of issue, it will be denoted by an LED, maybe in amber state or green state, depending on the condition of the fan. The fan actually itself is very cute, as you can see, but don't be fooled by its shape. It's very large and have a very much harder duty to do. For example, cooling this switch. We have 3 to 4 fans. This was the router and the firewalls that I was configuring. I hope guys that now you can see because I've just errored it. So this is a Juniper switch SRX 240, and yeah, below that we have a Cisco firewall, Cisco SA 5510. If we move forward, this is a RAM 16 GB module plugged into the server. I do have a video of this server. I don't know what this component is. Yes, this is the video. You can see live working server. We do have switches. What we were doing there is testing some switches in order to find which are the working one and which are the retired one or the failed one. We were doing that just to reduce our e-waste. Okay. Yes, this cable is my new friend. One side is an USB while the other side is the Ethernet. It is actually a console cable used to configure switch. It used to access the part of the switch which is not usually accessible by the um, front ports, fast Ethernets or gigabit port. And now from this picture now on, we will move toward the logical topology that we were working on. So keeping that aside, below that, the question which I tried to solve in the last video. I guess I tried to solve whether I've uploaded it or not. The question, we have a topology that the data center provides a few uplink and we have to balance our load on that a single uplink. But the question is that we actually have 2 uplinks in that scenario. What we will, so we can either use load balancing regarding GLBP, load balancing protocol, HSRP, hot standby routing protocol, HSR, and finally VRRP, which stands for virtual redundancy route redundancy protocol. Exactly, VRRP, virtual router redundancy. So this is it. So I duly progressed in that scenario. They open the lab, go low. We have the labs, which is the partial configuration is done by my, as you can see, multi-layer switch is the uplink. Instead of, we can also put our routers here. This is the uplink, and this is the load balance trap, which itself is connected to a layer 2 switch. And beyond that, when downlinks, multiple PCs connected, or the firewall boxes or the server boxes and behind this layer 2 switch. So this is the topology. This is some Fox IP addresses that we were working on. Suppose the entity is providing me these two uplinks. So how the traffic can be load balanced? In this scenario, this will become our top priority switch, the active switch. The other will then become standby switch. That I started code BGP, how the BGP confirmation. I duly visited a Cisco article regarding BGP, this IP routing BGP configuration, the full-fledged complete BGP article, very large read. So I'm on to it. Along with it, I'm also completing this CCNA lab, complete CCNA lab by no other than Jeremy IT. He's the guy. 2 hour and 38 minutes video. I have already completed 2 hours video, but I still need to make Excel sheet regarding the configurations for the each device. And I also want to show you that what I'm up to. This is my notepad plus. Currently I'm storing all the configuration. As you can see, I have already 554 lines of configuration. That this configuration is a mix match. I am not able to write each and every configuration. I am trying to do and going be one by one step, understanding each and every topic. But these things are still need to be done, as I will be going to do it today. So this is all that I want to share in this video. If you wanted to ask something or you wanted any kind of suggestion, if you believe that I am able to provide you such suggestions, please do comment. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. See you in the next.